and welcome back to Home Decor 101. Today we're taking a slow walk through 100, actually over 100, of the most breathtaking bedrooms of 2025. So as the year comes to a close, I just want to touch on some of the images and rooms that we have looked at throughout the year. So think of this video as a gentle escape, a moment to breathe, to get inspired, and maybe even dream a little about what your own bedroom could become. You know, a lot of people wonder why I show so many images throughout my video, and it's basically for inspiration for you. I'm not saying you have to go out and recreate these rooms like picture by picture, but I am hoping that something you see will spark something in you and say, okay, my bedroom looks a little different, but this is something that I can do. This is an easy change that I can make. Bedrooms are personal landscapes. They are the quiet corners where we recharge, reflect, and reconnect with ourselves. And this year's designs are all about comfort, intention, and style that feels deeply lived in. What you'll notice right away is that 2025 bedrooms and the bedrooms that we have been seeing all year aren't following a single trend. They aren't following a single decor style. Instead, they celebrate individuality. Some are soft and romantic, wrapped in warm neutrals and layered linens that feel like a cloud. Others are super bold and in your face and contemporary, playing with sculptural lighting and bold colors, dramatic headboards, rich color palettes that instantly elevate the room. There are cozy cottage bedrooms, clean minimalist sanctuaries, dark and moody escapes, and airy coastal retreats. The beauty is in the variety and how each space feels like its owner's personality made visible. You'll also see a focus on texture. Designers this year were heavily leaning into the textural aspect of room design. So whether it's ribbed wood nightstands, chunky knit throws, velvet pillows, and natural stone accents that add quiet luxury without needing much else. Lighting is another showstopper. Whether it's soft sconces, oversized pendant lights, or simple warm bulbs, lighting is truly the secret sauce behind a bedroom that feels calming instead of chaotic. And no matter the style, the bedrooms that really stood out in 2025 all really shared one thing: intention. Every piece had a purpose. Every corner felt considered. And even the most dramatic looks still felt livable, inviting you to slow down and settle in. So as you watch the next few minutes of stunning bedroom inspiration that we've looked at over this year, just let your imagination wander. Take notes, screenshot your favorites, and remember that you don't need a big space. You don't need a large budget, you don't need a mansion, or a full renovation to create a beautiful bedroom. Sometimes all it takes is a fresh color palette, a new lamp, a little greenery, or the courage to try something bold. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe for more home decor inspiration all year long. And don't forget to check the description box. I've linked some of my favorite bedroom decor pieces inspired by the looks in this video.